But UPLAB, as I said, is a really root-based and neighborhood-based association and organization. We have to work. We want really to work with citizens and to help to change their mentality about the waste, which for us is an opportunity, not waste. We want to communicate this attitude actually through the upcycling approach.
What inspired you for this project?
Whoa, this is a really mixture. I worked for 9 months in a fab lab where I realized that the problem is the costs and the raw material. They all working with a really expensive material. So we say, let's use something really cheap, maybe free, garbage. So that was one, and the other one was like doing something social, doing something that can really improve this system where we live in actually.
And what have been some of the challenges that you faced in getting UPLAB going and up and running?
Well, the first challenge is really change the mentality of people, which is not easy because they are all convinced that since they have something in the hand and they put it in the trash, that's it, it's finished there. But that's such a pity because you really have some materials that can have not a second life, an infinitive life to reuse, and just being creative and create stuff that you can use every day or you can give to other ones to do something different and better.
Have you encountered any countries or cultures who've been more open-minded to receiving this different approach and have been more welcoming to your initiative?
Well, the first step we did it was a benchmarking, but not just looking at the website, but really writing to, for example, couchsurfing. There are a lot of people like sensible to environmental themes, and I wrote down messages and messages. And here in Brussels, actually, the majority of people that answer me, like at least 30% of people that I contact, they were like, it's really interesting. Let's speak about it. Let's meeting. So tomorrow we have a lot of meeting with local people that want to join us to develop this idea.
And can you tell me a little bit about how this is a replicable model and why you wanted to design it in that way?
Well, basically because we think that making something small and replicable, like a virus attitude, is the best to involve people. If you do something like great, big, then people sit far from them. We want to really be located in the local neighborhood, so we involve them inside this mental changing process. And we want to replicate because I think the waste is a necessity, like to find a solution everywhere. You can go in the southern country, northern country, island, continents, is everywhere the same problem. Maybe the rating about recycling is changing. Maybe here in Brussels the recycling is upper than in Italy probably, but still it's just recycling. It's destroying a material instead of really thinking about the use and the potential that material has.